So this is a typical corner joint I've laid out on the ground to show you. So you can take that away. You start off with your corner like this. So this would be nailed through there and create that joint. And then your next one comes in and it's got to be that way on. So this one you're nailing through there and through there to fix that in. Then the next one comes in there like that, and that is nailed through there into position. The next one comes in is in there, and in this case we're nailing through there into this one, and then the last one comes in like that. Let's get this a bit closer, and it ends up looking something like that. That's your corner type joint everywhere. You've got to remember that if you make a mistake and you put two together like that, I mean, it happens. If your house is not going to fall down, but it's not correct. But yeah, so basically it's remembering to get all the joints in the correct way. So if you're having a house built and the builders, you can go around and you can say, oh well, that's how it should be, you know, you can see it straight away. And the other joints we use are, if you're coming across, so you're joining, coming across the timber, across the piles, and on the centre of the pile, or where the joint should be, they should hit like that together. And then your next one comes in, so you can do this here. The next one comes in like that, so that is there, like that. So you've got the centre of the joint on that there, so you can nail through here and through here onto that. And then the next one's coming, the next one's coming like this. Difficult to get in this to stay in place here. Hold on. I should have my phone on a stand, but I have not, so bear with me. So like that. And then from this side you would come in like this. And then on this side you come in this way, and then the next two come in like that. So you're building up a joint, and that should be the centre if you can get it as close as you can. And you can see I'll show you some here I've done already. Where are we? Oh, this one's not joined. This one's a straight piece all the way across, but it's the same idea. If you were to join it, you'd want the joint to be on the centre, and then your next one comes in, so it's a joint there, so you can nail it through there. The next one comes in there, which is nailed through there, and the next one comes in, which is nailed through there, So that's a joint. That's half a joint. And I haven't got a full one I can show it. In fact, I have. Maybe I have. Let's have a look here. See if I haven't covered one. I sort of got a bit carried away with doing this and forgot to film it. Yeah, this is a typical one. Here we are. This one I showed you earlier, actually. So as you can see, there's no joint here, but if there was, you want to try and get it bang on there. I mean, it doesn't always work out. Sometimes it's a bit to the left, to the right. I mean, yeah, that's life, isn't it? But ideally in the centre, and then you come in. This one comes in, so you're nailing through there for this one. This one nails through there. Next one comes in, you're nailing that through there. Next one comes in, it nails through there. And this one comes in, it's nailed through there. This one comes in, it's nailed through there, and this one comes in and it's nailed through there. So you get this built up joint. Whoever thought this technology, well done.